of course, we have to collaborate with the attorneys because the EB-5 is, you have the immigration part, you have the business part. We handle the business part. The immigration attorney handles the complex part of immigration and source of funds, tracking the source of fund, the pathway of the funds. All of that needs to be done by an experienced attorney. I've been lucky throughout all these years to have worked with several attorneys that are pretty, I would say, one of the most experienced attorney in the EB-5, and we get to learn from them. All of us know some technical terms through the program, I-526, I-829, the way it goes, but we are not those professionals. We still are not immigration attorneys, so we have to give them their, let them do their jobs, and then assist the investors and guide them through the process of the complexity of the immigration process in the United States. Those attorneys are essential. And we are always open to work with any immigration attorney who is willing to work with us. We will make the process easy for them. As Nicholas mentioned, we provide them with a turnkey process. We give them everything. The template is ready, then they will just have to include the individual's documentation and make it easy for them. So that's the way we are carrying on doing business with the attorneys, as we always gonna make it easy for them to.
I guess just like you can't have a bike or a bicycle run or like basically without two wheels, those two wheels are the regional center and the law firm.
Oh, I like that analogy.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can't do an EB-5 until unless a regional center and a law firm are in sync. That's as precise as it could be. From a relationship perspective, I want to go on record and say that we at US Immigration Fund have opened arms to every immigration attorney that has come our way through directly or through, let's say, an investor's choice, right? Let's understand that the beauty about the EB-5 visa program is the investor chooses their regional center, their financial advisor, and their immigration attorney. There's no regional center who can just say that you can't work with a particular attorney. And similarly, an attorney saying you can't file with anyone is again very unprofessional, right? So we want to say that we're open to working with every immigration attorney that exists. There are few that we work with. There are few who we might not know, but we're always open to that. In terms of sync, right? At the end of the day, it's all about relationship, right? So as Musa mentioned, as Nicholas mentioned, an investor would have a successful EB-5 petition only when the regional center and the law firm go hand in hand, right? And that's when we try and spend time with attorneys. We try and get to know their journey. And it is, frankly speaking, a very, very important job. And often investors don't realize the amount of effort that an immigration attorney puts, and also probably don't take their recommendations or requests seriously, which again they should. That's something that I wanted to mention in terms of immigration attorneys and how regional centers work in sync.
Great.
And also, sorry, just one more point. Like in terms of keeping immigration attorneys involved throughout the subscription process, right? So all of us here, we're dealing with different investors, but when we do the onboarding process, we copy the immigration attorney. When we have a funding deadline, we give the immigration attorney enough and more time so that they're aware of what is expected from them. And I think at the end of the day, it all boils down to good communication.